Okay, let's try again. It seems if my video is not working. There you are. Hello everybody, welcome to my Freedom Friday. Let's try again, and sorry for the boo-boo. Maybe the gremlins is creeping up due to my holiday. I just came back from Seychelles and it was wonderful. But I'm so excited to spend time with you today because we are diving into a topic that completely transformed the way I look at work, money, and the future. Today's Freedom Friday topic is No Retirement Necessary, how I built a business that pays me for life. And no, it's not magic, it's not luck, it's a system, a real one, a regulated one. A company that has been operating for 10 years in South Africa and has already paid out more than 50 million rand through its digital wealth creation platform. You might wonder, why haven't you heard about it before? But it's simple. DuPont doesn't use traditional advertising. Instead, they use a modern distribution model where product owners share information directly and the company rewards them instead of paying brokers, agents, field teams, or expensive marketing campaigns. It's straightforward, efficient, and entirely digital. Today's session is designed to be eye-opening, inspiring and practical, not to promise results, but to show you how a powerful system can change anyone's life if you explore and participate at it on your own pace. And for those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Badenhorst from Van der Beaupark, South Africa. Now, for over 10 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I love that one. I hate to tell people mine is better than yours. I'm simply sharing information. I show you how to create recurring income using a hybrid financial platform so that they can live debt-free, stress-free on their own terms. Type freedom if you're watching live or replay if you are catching this later. I'd love to welcome you. Welcome to Belinda. We really missed you too. And all the other people, Peter and Cheryl and all those who's normally joining me. I'm back and let's get forward. But a special welcome to all the guests that watch my video. I hope I give something of value to you. And I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. Now, the first part is the problem nobody wants to admit. Let's start with the big elephant in the room. Retirement is becoming impossible for most people. When you talk to people in their 20s and 30s today, almost nobody believes retirement is still realistic. Why? Salaries have not doubled, but groceries have, petrol has, electricity has, school fees have, rent has. Life is twice as expensive and income is standing still. You hear people say, you must save for retirement. And I get it. But how? When the average person is living on 6,000 to 12,000 a month and barely getting to the 20th of the month? Most people aren't planning for retirement because they are planning how to survive next week. And the sad reality is people who worked for 40 years retire on less than what they've earned while they were working. Many end up depending on family. Some go back to work after retirement because they simply can't cope. Others simply don't retire. They work until they physically cannot work anymore. When you look honestly at the situation, you realize the old model is broken. The traditional work for 40 years, retire at 65 system was created for a world that no longer exists. And that's exactly where my journey started. With the realization that if I don't create something that pays me automatically, I will work until the day I die. The second part is my wake-up moment. Everyone has that moment that shakes you. For me, it was watching people who had given their whole life to a job, only to end up struggling. Good people, loyal people, people who did everything right. I remember thinking, if that happens to them, what's going to happen to me? We are raised to believe, go to school, get the job, work hard, save, retire. But things have changed. My father and my father-in-law, that worked for them, but it definitely didn't work for us. We were retrenched at the age of 50, and we could in 28 years never find a job again. Jobs are not stable anymore. Companies restructure. Salaries don't grow with inflation. People lose jobs overnight. As I said, my husband lost his job in 21 days. It did not matter that he worked 32 years for one company, that he always put the company first. When they can do without your services, they will let you go. And I realized something. I cannot put my entire future in someone else's hands. That's when I started looking for ways to build something that worked for me, grew over time, didn't need me to hustle every day for every rand, would keep paying me even if I slowed down. But almost everything out there was either a scam, a scheme, a product selling circus, or required me to become a salesperson. And I wasn't interested in that. I'm done begging my family and friends, buying stuff they don't need just to help you. That's not what I want in life. I want something sensible, something stable, something I could be proud of. And that's when everything changed. The third part is what changed everything for me. I was invited to a system that really stood out to me because it wasn't built around hype or pressure. It was built around financial and lifestyle products that people already use and understand. And what really caught my attention was this: there's no stock, no boxes, no physical products to deliver, no traditional sales targets, no recruiting obligations. And I remember thinking, is something like this even possible? But here's what made sense for me. I already use financial and lifestyle products. Many people make use of things like funeral cover, tax-free investment, primary health care, etc. And these are the kind of products people maintain monthly because they want to stay covered. I don't have to promote anything unusual or complicated. I simply share information. The company manages everything: admin, payments, underwriting, support, training, everything you need. The system is fully digital and automated, and the income can recur monthly based on the ongoing growth of your channel. It made me feel comfortable, not pressured, not stressed, and not like I had to become someone I'm not. That's when I realized this isn't about selling physical products. It's about partnering with a digital platform and sharing information responsibly. This fourth part is how the system actually pays you for life. Let me break it down in a simple, everyday way. The traditional income equals work, and you get paid. If you stop working, the income stops. Fair? Yes. But extremely limiting. Now look at this system. Build it once and get paid for life. This is what we call recurring income. It works like this. You become a product owner. You plug into an automated platform. You share the information with others. They become product owners. The company pays you a recurring monthly income based on the growing usage of these products. Like any other business, you are essentially building a business inside a digital platform, one where the system itself does the selling, the billing, the payouts, the compliance, the admin, everything. Your job is simple. Connect people to the information. This is how banks, insurance companies, and financial institutions have built wealth for decades. Except in this case, you participate in that system. There's no ceiling, no limit, no retirement age. Your business grows as long as you grow. And the company behind the system, Dewpoint, it's not a startup. It's 10-year-old, registered, licensed financial service provider that has already paid out more than 50 million rand to their own clients. I think it's brilliant. That means there's proof, stability, a track record, real payouts, real impact. This is not a dream. It's not a gamble. It's mathematics, technology, and long-term financial planning. The fifth part is why I say no retirement necessary. Here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. I don't want to retire. I want freedom. Retirement means you stop working. Your income stops growing. You live on whatever you have saved. Freedom means your income keeps growing. Your business keeps paying. You decide when you work. You choose your life. Retirement is an age. Freedom is a choice. I choose freedom. Here's what income in perpetuity really means. You own the business. It keeps paying you every single month. For 118 months in a row, I've been paid every single month. It can outlive it. You can pass it down to your spouse or your children. You never run out of income. Can you imagine a world where there's no fear of month end, no panic about losing your job, no stress about retirement, no anxiety about turning 50, 60, 70, because your income is not tied to your age or your employer. This system lets you do what most people only dream about. Build a retirement inside your working years, not after them. The sixth part is what it did for my life. Let me be personal for a moment. This system gave me peace of mind, purpose, confidence, a plan, a business I own, income that grows regardless of my age or job. It made me feel empowered because my future stopped being guesswork. There's something incredible about waking up in the morning knowing you are building something real, something long-term, something that doesn't rely on anyone else, something that is not affected by the economy the way a job is. And I always tell people, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building freedom over time. I'm living proof that it is possible. The seventh part is how you can start. Let me break down this part because people think it's complicated. It's not. It's the simplest system that exists. I believe that with my whole heart. Starting is free to register. It's quick, it's guided, and simple enough for anyone to follow. You don't need qualifications, sales skills, business experience, a big network, a big budget. Here's what you do need: a willingness to learn, a phone, an internet connection, and a desire to truly change your life. The process: first you become a product owner. You do it online. You plug into the automated system. Number 3, you share the information. Number 4, the system does the work. And number 5, your income grows month after month. You are not alone. We help you step by step with training, with script, with guidance, with building your channel, with the exact method that brought you here today. We hold your hand until you can run. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you are finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel. That's where I share weekly insights, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you will always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. You can also visit my blogs on my website for even more blog posts on the same topics. It's https://www.lynettebaardenoors.com/blogs. I spell my name because it's unique. LINNETTEBADENHORST.com. And like, love, and follow me on Facebook. Then you will get all the new news. And as promised, let's talk today about the lucky number 7 incentive. Yes, there's 7,000 Rand up for grabs every week. For 18 weeks, DuPont did an incentive, the lucky number 7 incentive, from September 2025 till January 26. And Unati joined DuPont on the 2nd of December, and he won the 7,000 Rand cash on the 15th of December. Can you imagine what this means to his belief system? He just joined and he won 7,000 Rand. Now, what do you need to do? By having your product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple entries into this draw every single week. But hurry up, the incentive runs out and it's only running until the 4th of January. The best part is, while you are building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and support. WhatsApp Lucky 7 to 082-783-5661 so that I can send you the full details. Please like, love, and share, and follow me on my Facebook page, and remember to visit my blog on LynetteBaardenoors.com for more of the same topics. So, as I wrap up this Freedom Friday live, I want you to really sit with this. What if you didn't have to fear retirement? What if you didn't have to wait 40 years to live? What if you could build a business that pays you for life? Imagine a steady income month after month, a business that belongs to you, a system that grows in the background, freedom to choose how you live, no retirement necessary because you are already financially independent. This is the future. This is the movement. This is the vehicle. And this is the moment where your story can start. If you are ready to hear how the system works and how you can start building your own lifelong income, just message me. My number is 082-783-5661. I'll personally walk you through the process and show you exactly how to do it. Happy Freedom Friday. Your future is calling. Bye for now.